We're replacing the battery in an older Stanley 1083-12 garage door remote. This vintage one-button transmitter uses a standard 9-volt battery, and the replacement process only takes a few minutes. Start by sliding the visor clip completely off the back of the remote. Next, locate the small opening at the bottom of the casing. Insert the end of the visor clip into this opening. Gently twist the clip. The battery cover should release and come off easily. Inside the compartment, you will find the old 9-volt battery. Carefully remove the battery and disconnect the snap connector from the terminals. Take your new 9-volt battery and attach the connector to the matching terminals. The connector will only fit in the correct direction, so do not force it. Place the new battery back inside the compartment. Make sure the wires are positioned safely and are not caught along the edge of the casing. Reinstall the battery cover. Align it with the remote and press both sides firmly until you hear it click securely into place. Slide the visor clip back onto the remote. Finally, press the main button and check whether the indicator light turns on. You can then test the remote with the garage door opener. That's it!